Good morning, boys and girls. It's me, Miss Coles again. I'm getting ready to teach lesson 17. Alrighty, everyone, you should have your vocabulary page out again. We're getting ready to go over our vocabulary sentences again. I was on page 338, and I think we put it back in lesson 2. Alrighty, let's begin. This is a new vocabulary sentence. You're going to touch sentence 5. Touch sentence 5. We're getting ready to learn a new sentence. It says, hunters were stationed at opposite ends of the fields. Listen again. Hunters were stationed at opposite ends of the field. Everybody, read that sentence with me. Get ready. Hunters were stationed at opposite ends of the field. Alrighty, close your eyes this time and say the sentence. Get ready. Yes, hunters were stationed at opposite ends of the field. Listen, hunters were stationed at opposite ends of the field. When someone is stationed in a place, that person is supposed to stay in that place. Everybody, where were the hunters stationed? Get ready. Yes, at opposite ends of the field. Listen, that means some hunters had a place at one end of the field and other hunters had a place at the other end of the field. Hunters were stationed at opposite ends of the field. If one end of the field was the north end of the field, what was the opposite end? Get ready. Yes, the south end. If one end of the field was the east end of the field, what was the opposite end? Get ready. Yes, the west end. Listen to this sentence again. Hunters were stationed at opposite ends of the field. Say that sentence. Get ready. Yes, hunters were stationed at opposite ends of the field. The hunters had to stay where they were placed. So the hunters were, get ready, yes, stationed. What word tells which end of the field? Get ready. Yes, opposites. Good job in answering all those questions and saying the center correctly. Give yourselves a round of applause. All righty, let's go to exercise 2. Exercise 2, touch column 1. Find lesson 17 and touch column 1. Word 1 is famous. What word? Yes, famous. Spells famous. Get ready. What word? Yes, famous. Word 2 is woman. What word? Yes, woman. Spell it. Get ready. What word? Yes, woman. Word 3 is breath. What word? Yes, breath. Spell breath. Get ready. What word? Yes, breath. Word 4 is tongue. What word? Yes, tongue. Spell tongue. Get ready. What word? Yes, tongue. Word 5 is England. What word? Yes, England. England is a country that is almost 4,000 miles from the United States. Word 6 is silence. What word? Yes, silence. Let's read those words again the fast way. Word 1, put your finger back on word 1. Word 1, what word? Yes, famous. Word 2, what word? Yes, woman. Word 3, what word? Yes, breath. Word 4, what word? Yes, tongue. Word 5, what word? Yes, England. Word 6, what word? Yes, silence. Good job in saying all those words the fast way. Everyone, touch column 2. Column 2. You're going to, these words all end with the letter Y. You're going to read these words the fast way. Word 1, what word? Yes, family. Word 2, what word? Yes, belly. Word 3, what word? Yes, sticky. Word 4, what word? Yes, already. Word 5, what word? Yes, 60. Word 6, what word? Yes, stubby. Good job in reading all of those words the fast way. Everyone, touch column 3. Touch column 3. Column 3, these words have more than one syllable. The first syllable is underlined. First, you're going to tell me the underlined part. Then you're going to tell me the whole word. Word 1, what's the first syllable? Get ready? Yes, shovel. What's the whole word? Get ready? Yes, shovels. Word 2, what's the first syllable? Get ready? Yes, sec. What's the whole word? Get ready? Yes, seconds. Word 3, what's the first syllable? Get ready? Yes, wood. What's the whole word? Get ready? Yes, wooden. Word 4, what's the first syllable? Get ready? Yes, What's the whole word? Get ready? Yes, underground. Word 5, what's the first syllable? Get ready? Yes, half. What's the whole word? Get ready? Yes, halfway. Let's read those words again the fast way. Word 1, what word? Yes, shovels. Word 2, what word? Yes, seconds. Word 3, what word? Yes, wooden. Word 4, what word? Yes, underground. Word 5, what word? Yes, halfway. Good job in reading those words the fast way. Everyone, touch column 4. We're on column 4. You're going to read these words the fast way. Word 1, what word? Yes, length. Word 2, what word? Yes, blue. Word 3, what word? Yes, 100. Word 4, what word? Yes, notice. Word 5, what word? Yes, evening. Good job in reading those words the fast way. Touch column 5. Find column 5. You're going to read these words the fast way. Word 1, what word? Yes, distant. Word 2, distance. Word 2, what word? Yes, balloon. Word 3, what word? Yes, swallow. Word 4, what word? Yes, fourth. Let's read those words again the fast way. Word 1, what word? Yes, distance. Word 2, what word? Yes, balloon. Word 3, what word? Yes, shallow. Word 4, what word? Fourth. Good job in reading all those words the fast way without making a mistake. Listen, I'm going over exercise 3. Here is the new vocabulary sentence. Listen, hunters were stationed at opposite ends of the field. Everybody say that sentence. Get ready. Yes, hunters were stationed at opposite ends of the field. What word tells which ends of the field? Get ready. Yes, opposite. Listen, the hunters had to stay where they were placed. So the hunters were, get ready, yes, stationed. All righty. You on exercise 4, you're going to passage B. You're getting ready to go over the story background. And the title of the story is How Far Apart Things Are. What's the title of the story? You ready? Yes, how far apart things are. You're going to read this story how many times? Get ready. Yes, you're going to read it 2 times. And you also are going to read How Toads Catch Flies. What are you going to read? Get ready. Yes, How Toads Catch Flies. You're going to read this story 2 times. Let's see if you can read them 2 times without making any mistakes on your reading passages. All right, then you're going to read Food Traps. You're going to read Food Traps. After you get finished reading all of this, then you're going to answer your questions, and then you're going to take out your workbook and answer the questions in your workbook. And don't forget to answer the questions. Get out a piece of paper and answer the questions also. Looks like it's 1 through 11. All righty. Have a great day. Excuse me, it's 1 through 17. No, it's less than 17. It's 1 through 11.